Welcome to the world of news revolutionized by AI. In this video, we'll show you how to create your own news channel using cutting-edge AI tools for free. We will show step-by-step how to create this popular news videos, so let's dive in. First of all, you will have to create a free account on HeyGen. Link on the description. As you can see, this AI tools works by credits. We can do 1-minute video for free. But if you are looking forward to start a news channel, I recommend to upgrade your plan. Now we will create an avatar. As you can see, there are lots of them, so you have multiple options. I will choose this one. You can also edit your avatar before creating your video. You can also swap the face or even use your own. But the question is, where can we find useful news? Well, so we will get them from Google News. You can modify them, it will be better. But this is just a try, so I will copy-paste it. Then we will direct to HeyGen and paste the news so that we will start creating our video. Make sure to add a green background for later. This will cost 1 credit, but I can say it is worth. After waiting some minutes, it is time to watch the news. Ha ha ha! Now we can download our AI avatar for free. I will delete caption because I will add them later. Now it is time to edit this stuff. I won't take more than 5 minutes. In Canva, we will find free breaking news backgrounds that will fit very well with our avatar. So let's copy-paste the header and adjust it a little bit. I will remove some parts of the header so that there is space. Okay, and let's make this a little bit longer so that it lasts the same as the avatar. Finally, let's download it. We will also need background music. So I found some free music in YouTube. You just download it yourself. As for the editing, I will use CapCut. CapCut is a free editing software that allows you to create awesome editing without spending $1. First, we will crop this so that the watermark doesn't appear. Then we'll remove the green background like this. Adjust the strength so that the avatar appears properly. High strength can delete the avatar and low strength can leave green stroke. We will put the avatar on the right side. In the left side, we will add Barbie trailer. Some little adjustments before adding the background music. If you are creating a YouTube video, make sure to add the proper ratio, which is 16:9. Once here, we will add the background music that will fit very well. Now we will create auto captions. That is important as well. As you can see, it recognized the speech very well.
Barbie and
Let's change the font. This is awful. As you can see, this phrase is too long. Just pressing enter, we will make shorter captions. Don't forget to add some animations. Now it is time to watch the final result. But before, make sure to subscribe and like the video. I really appreciate it.
Barbie and Oppenheimer have once again won the domestic weekend box office with ticket sales of $93 million and $46.2 million, respectively. Newcomer Haunted Mansion put up a good fight with a debut performance of $24.2 million, but it couldn't muster up enough scares to take down the behemoth known as Barbenheimer.
Comment below what you think of the result. I think it is crazy how professional it looks. And for free! Link on the comments.